Hi, kindergarten. Today we're going to do Module 3, Lesson 23. And I want you to pause me right now and go grab something to write with and something to write on. That's going to be a majority of our lesson today. Okay? So pause me and then come back. Okay, now that you're ready, our objective is I will reason to identify and make a set that has one more. So yesterday we made our sets of objects equal. Today we're going to make sets of objects that have one more. So are we going to be adding or taking away? Adding, very good. So we are going to get 9 birds out. This one you can just watch on our screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 9 birds out. Now we need to have one more worm than we do birds. So if we have 9 birds, we need one more worm. So let's put up this finger. How many worms do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more than 9 is 10. So we need 10 worms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at my picture. Do I have one more worm than I do birds? Yes. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to draw a set, and then in the other set, we're going to add one more. So get those paper and pencils ready. Here we go. So I'm going to roll the number. We're going to identify it. Then we're going to be able to draw one more in our second set. So here we go. What number is that? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5. Let's draw 5 triangles. I'm going to draw it down here and then I'm going to hold it up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? There are my 5 triangles. Now I need one more. So if I have 5 and I add one more, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many triangles am I going to put in my next set? 6. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does my bottom set have one more? Yes, it does. Because watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one has a match, and then you get over here, and how many are left over? 1. That's exactly what we want. Let's do another number. What number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you draw 6 circles for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just like yesterday, if it's going too fast for you, feel free to pause and then unpause, and I'll still be here, okay? So we have 6. Now we need to add one more. Let's put up one more finger. How many circles do we need for our bottom set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does my bottom set have one more? It sure does. Now, I have a question. Which set has more circles? My bottom set or my top set? Does this bottom set have more circles or does the top set have more circles? Very good. The bottom set has more circles. It is one more than our top set, but we also know that 7 is a bigger number than 6. Great job. Do 2 more. We already did 5. We already did... Oh, we did not do that number. What number is this? 7. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I want you to go ahead and draw 7 in your top set. Pause me and then unpause me and come back. Okay, so your picture doesn't have to match mine because I didn't tell you exactly what you needed to draw. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did 7 stars. Now I want you to pause me and I want you to draw one more in your bottom set. Okay, go ahead. Okay, so let's count how many we should have in our bottom set if we drew one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's check our work on our hands. We had 7. Put up one more finger. And how many should we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Which set has fewer objects? The top set or the bottom set? If you think it's the top set, put your hand on your head. If you think it's the bottom set, put your hand on your chin. If you put your hand on your head, you're right. The top set has fewer objects, whether you drew stars, monkeys, flowers, squares, anything. It would have less or fewer because your bottom set has one more. So how many more objects are in your bottom set? Just one more. Okay, our last one. This is your challenge. I want you to do this all on your own. And then you're going to send a picture to your teacher with this number. Does anyone know this number? 8. Very good. With the number 8, you're going to draw 8 objects on your top set. And then for your bottom set, you are going to draw the set is going to have one more than your top set. Go ahead, unpause me when you're finished. I'm looking so forward to seeing those pictures, and I'm sure your teachers are too. Okay, we're going to do flash fingers. So I'm going to show you my fingers, a certain number, and you're going to tell me the number that's one more. Ready? What's one more? 6, good job. What's one more? 4, good job. What's one more? Good job, 9. What's one more? 3. 10, good job. You guys are getting so good. I am so proud of you. We are going to continue tomorrow's lesson, but tomorrow we're going to do one less. So today our objective was to give one more. When we want more, we need to give. When we want one less, we're going to take away. So tomorrow, I want you to come with the same materials as you did today. You're going to come with something to write with and something to write on. And we are going to talk about one less or taking one away. Okay? Have a wonderful day, kindergarten, and I will see you tomorrow.